Hey guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations. Well, today I'm trying out the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on it, then you are in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you know what to do. You just want to hit that little subscribe button down there. Right to the right of it, there's a bell. Hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And again, if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, then just keep watching. Alright guys, again in today's Battle of the Foundations, we are trying out the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Now this comes in 35 shades. You get 1 fluid ounce and it runs $14.99 at Ulta, which is the only place I've been able to find it so far. I picked up the color 435, which doesn't say what name to that is. It does have an expiration date on the back, so thank you. I do appreciate that. And this one says it expires in September of 2020. So this will last a while. It is a glass bottle, and you do have a nice little weird pump on it. I did pump it out. Actually, I wore it once, so I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how it was going to wear and stuff. So this will be my second time wearing it. As always, I will be going in and doing one side with a sponge and the other a flat top kabuki brush. So this is the new Rosé Juno & Company sponge. Let's go in. That's on the runny side. Really runny. Just going right onto the sponge with that. And this is a tad bit dark, but I can make it work. So while I'm doing this, let's see if I can talk to you about the product as I blend. So it says, be stoppable, introducing L'Oreal's breakthrough longwear foundation with breathable technology. Infallible Fresh Wear 24-Hour Foundation provides medium to full buildable color coverage that lasts all day and allows the skin to breathe. The formula's three oil absorbers resist sweat, water, and transfer. The ultra-thin liquid goes on smoothly and gives you a fresh, healthy-looking complexion that lasts. Colors stay true and blend evenly, so your makeup looks fresh all day. It's formulated with an SPF in it, and it says it comes in 30 shades, but I thought I counted 35, so I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Again, waterproof, transfer resistant, and sweat resistant. So, oops, I shouldn't be doing that on that side. Okay, so that is now the sponge side. Let's go in and try the brush. I did not try the brush last time, so this will be the first time trying that. I think I'm using way too much of this. This goes on feeling very cool. I did end up setting it when I used it the other day because I just didn't get it feeling like it was going to dry down at all. I feel though that I'm getting better coverage using the brush than I did, because especially like right here you see a lot of my skin discoloration coming through, whereas here it's completely covered. So I'm going to go back into this side, apply just a little bit more in that area. Why are you making noise? Sorry, I wasn't on silence there. Let's just tap that in. That's definitely being better. Okay, let's take a close-up look. So we're going to use the 10-time magnification mirror. I would say this is very pore friendly. Even though I used a pore filling primer, it's still showing my pores at this point. Although doing pretty darn good with my fine lines and wrinkles. So I don't feel I need to. I'm going to add a little bit more right in there. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's that. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and I have all of my makeup applied now. So let's talk about this foundation. I'm going to go mostly on how it wore last time because again, I was able to wear it all day long and not just put it on and do all my other makeup. But let me zoom you in real quick. I want to show you what this looks like close up with all my makeup on. Okay, so I put on just a little bit of highlighter today there and on the tip of my nose. So if you see anything that's got some glow to it, that's why. But this is how it looks. And if you look on my forehead, you can see that it's not settling into my lines. They're there, but it's not settling into it. It's lightly creasing in my smile lines. That's normal. This looks good. Looks really good. It did not dry down at all. I definitely had to go in and powder it, but it feels so good on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. I'm curious to see. I haven't had a chance to go through the whole sweat resistant type thing, or water resistant. I guess if it rains today, I could go stand outside and see what happens, but I don't want to do that. So let me zoom you back out again. All right, so let me tell you, this is yet another foundation I'm really enjoying. I think the drugstore has really been turning it up lately and getting some fabulous foundations for it. Well, actually, a whole bunch of makeup. So you guys got to watch out. You high-end companies, when you're getting a lot of foundations that give you full coverage like this, and it's so inexpensive, you've got some competition coming, so you better watch what you're doing. I tell you, I would rather spend $12.99 on a foundation than $40 on a foundation or more. So I appreciate that. Anyway, you guys tell me what you think. How do you think it looked? And have you tried this? Again, this is only available at Ulta right now. I'm sure it's going to come out other places. But for now, that's the only place you can order it. All right, I think we're going to wrap this one up. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go and subscribe to me on my social media. I will leave some links right in here telling you what they are. I'm currently doing a poll on my Facebook page, so you can just search for KarenReneBeauty and find me that way. But I've got a lot of questions for you guys. I'm just trying to kind of fine-tune what my channel is going to be like for 2019. I want to make sure that I take this in a direction that is for you guys and not for me. So I want to find out what you like, what you don't like. If you guys got some ideas of things you'd like to see me doing that I'm not. I've got questions about my lighting, my sound quality, all kinds of stuff. So I'm hoping fairly soon, which means that my stepson's moving out. I hope. Gosh, fingers, please cross your fingers. That way I will get our guest room and I'll be able to move my filming setup in there and change a lot of things around. So that will be cool. Anyway, please go over there, my Facebook group, and join that as well. Oh, also, if you haven't subscribed to my regular YouTube channel yet, make sure you do that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. It's every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Thursdays is always a dedicated video for foundation. So if you have any comments, questions, concerns, ideas for me for upcoming videos, feel free to leave those down in the comments below. And everything that I have on my face, you will also see listed in the description box. I did this whole look for a video, so if you want to see that, wait for Saturday's video, and I'll be uploading that on Saturday. So as always, you guys, I love you. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye.